Now we're bringing the bold, vibrant flavours of North Korea into our kitchen this morning with Chef Eva Pau.
Yes, things are getting a bit spicy. A Dak Galbi. That's sure to get the taste buds jumping. I am a mix of excited and a little bit nervous.
Terrified.
Don't be terrified. Don't be terrified.
Good morning, Eva. How are you?
So we are doing a Korean dish today. And so I'm going to show you some kind of Korean ingredients that you would marinate your chicken with. So if you like Korean flavors, this is the way to go. So first of all, it's gochujang. So gochujang is like a key Korean pantry ingredient. It's a fermented red chili paste. So it's you can kind of adjust the spice level depending on how spicy you want it. And then I have some Korean chili flakes here.
Okay.
So it's called
So are they
gochugaru.
different too? Because we have chefs who come in here with their chili flakes. And so is it just any chili flakes or do they have to be chili and Korean flakes?
Well, the Korean chili flakes has a speciality, which is it gives it that kind of, it's redder in color. And it's not like a chili powder that's really fine. It's a little bit more coarse.
Have you been on with Edward Hayden when he's doing his chili flakes?
No.
There was a time even he was putting chili flakes on desserts.
Oh, really?
He had them in every week. Chili flakes.
Chili cheesecake.
Yeah, chili cheesecake.
So into that, right, we're going to add in some, for sugar, right, in Korea, they like to use a thing called a corn syrup. So this is what it comes in, like a corn syrup. So that gives it a nice kind of a sweet taste, but also it gives the sauce a nice glossiness as well.
Oh, it's thick.
Yeah, so it's quite thick. Like if you don't have it, you can just use
if there's
honey.
I wouldn't say there'd be a lot of people now to have all these Korean things in their pantry or in their presses. So is there alternatives like that we could use for them?
So well, for the corn syrup, if you don't have corn syrup, you can use honey.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
And then we're going to add in some sesame oil, a little bit of, season it with some black pepper, some sugar as well. So because it's a real balance of, you have that spicy, kind of salty gochujang, so you really need to balance it with the sugar.
Just like granulated sugar, yeah?
Yes. And then they love to use, in Korean cooking, I love to use like kind of minced ginger and garlic. So I'm going to add a little bit of that in. And then the last thing I'm going to add in is, everybody should have it, the soy sauce.
Oh, yes,
Soy
of
sauce,
course.
yeah, we all have the soy sauce, yeah.
Yeah. So what you do is, we're just going to marinate that. And so usually I would marinate this for about 30 minutes and leave it there in the fridge.
This wouldn't be the type of thing you do the night before or anything like that?
You can.
Because sometimes a chef would say, oh no, if you marinate it too much, it actually is too strong.
Oh, no, this one, I sometimes marinate it the night before and then I can just stir fry it the next day. So it's kind of handy,
Yeah, okay, cool.
So what you do, so it's kind of, Dak Galbi has veg in it as well. So you have your chicken marinated and then you're going to add in your veg.
Right.
So veg, it's quite interesting because the veg that they have, I'm going to tell you the normal ones first, the onion.
Yeah.
But
is that on a low heat? Because you know the way sometimes with a wok you like go in and it all sizzles up. Do you deliberately put it on a lower heat?
No, I really perfectly should be on a higher heat so it sizzles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, higher heat. So the other thing it's quite surprising to add in is sweet potato. So sweet potato, this is a Korean type of a sweet potato. So it's white kind of inside. And the thing is, it becomes more gooey. And if you roast it, it becomes this kind of a golden yellow color.
Okay.
So but if you don't have it, just use normal sweet potato. And so it's kind of an interesting thing. I remember first making this dish and thinking, oh, interesting, putting like sweet potato into like a stir fry. Because usually you kind of go, your cabbage or, so I'm going to add in a little bit of cabbage.
You put cabbage in the stir fry?
Yes, this is actually, because I have a really nice dish that I love using, which is just a bit of like dried chili and stir fry cabbage and a bit of soy. And it is really, really delicious. Because you can get, it's slightly crunchy, it doesn't go too soft. And then another interesting ingredient.
Ever in my life have I put cabbage in the stir fry, have you?
I don't think I've ever made a stir fry. So.
We're going to have to change that now.
I've been
excited. This is going to be your first stir fry.
This is the one I'm going to make this evening. You were telling me about this earlier on. I'm excited to taste this.
Yeah, so this comes in a packet like this. It's like a Korean kind of a rice cake. So you can kind of have a look at it there. And it's really, really popular in Korea.
Okay.
They use it as a street food. There's a really famous dish called tteokbokki. and it's with this gochujang, with the rice cake. The rice cake can come in different shapes, a bit like pasta. So it can come in, this is a kind of a long one, but it
So
can
is
come in
it
a
like
flat
a
one.
pasta, yeah?
It's kind of chewier. So
Chewier
it's
than
made from like a rice flour, and they steam it, and then they pound it. And once you pound it, the dough becomes quite chewy.
Right.
So, yeah. So what we do, and that is really it. So you let this kind of stir fry for a few minutes, but I'm going to let you try them.
With this.
Yeah.
Look
So
at this.
you usually serve it with some baby gem lettuce and then some rice as well. So you kind of, so it's like a take on your lettuce cup.
Yeah. And so
going
you
straight for that.
basically just
Straight
stir
food
fry this until it's done. Yeah.
So it takes about 7 or 8 minutes.
Yeah. Too spicy for you? No?
Not yet.
No, good.
These are lovely.
Yeah, aren't they? It's a really unique
there it is.
texture.
There it is.
No, there it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's caught up to me. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Get some water in.
There's a lot of spice
There it
in
is
that
now,
now.
yeah. Yeah, it's hit me like a ton of brick. I'm just going to go for some
you can-
plain white rice here to wash this down. No, it's delicious.
Okay,
It
cool.
is.
It
It's
is
very,
delicious.
Very nice.
And actually quite simple. I love using the wok. I love those woks, the size of them. They're brilliant woks.
Yeah, the thing is, when you're choosing the wok, you want to choose one that's quite big, because even though you don't have that many ingredients to go in,
Yeah.
because you need the room to stir fry.
I absolutely love these.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
definitely.
There we go. There's a winner there, even though it's a bit spicy. Thank you so much for
You're so
joining us
welcome.
this morning.
Delicious.
It's lovely.
Thanks, Eric.
Thank you so much.
Now, up next, she recently convinced her husband that a leopard print lifestyle was the way to go.
Yes, from writing to renovating, novelist Vicky Notaro tells us how busy life has been after the break. Some water.
Some water here for this man. Quick, please.